Hello everyone, this is Tina from Taihe. I'm in our CNC factory. Equipments are our cornerstone. We have 27 CNC machines and 30 laser machines, including 5-axis, 4-axis, and 3-axis. Also, they are equipped with robotic arms, greatly improve work efficiency and precision dimensions. Professional engineering team is our core competence. With over 26 years experience in R&D and production, Taihe can independently support joint evaluation, feasibility analysis, manufacturing plan, fixture design, programming optimization, prototypes, mass production, and cost optimization.